guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look scary right now. My sister cornrowed my hair so I can put on my wig, but I haven't put it on yet. One, because I just got home. Two, it's 1:15 in the morning. And three, I need to clean my room, my restroom, and my desk. And I also need to clean the kitchen, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. So I'm tired of pulling this camera already. I think y'all can see me, but for today's Vlogmas video, Vlogmas Day 9, welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. We are going to be cleaning my room, and this is just going to be a time-lapse video because I love watching these videos, just watching people clean, and ew. So yes, let's get into cleaning this mess. Alright, so first things first, this is my room. My bed is not made. Why is that not focusing? There's mess over there. Whew. Makeup needs to be organized. This is not supposed to be in here. That needs to get cleaned off. This is supposed to be empty. Clothes everywhere. Let's look in the closet. Clothes on the floor, overflowing laundry basket, hangers popping out. It's just a mess. A nightmare. Wigs everywhere. More clothes. Cabinets open. Missing shower curtain because it's on the floor. We have my backpack in my chair with a wig. Boxes all over my desk. I haven't sat at this desk in probably a month. So I need to get this together, clean it off so I can actually use it. And we have a bow. Bobo. Say hi. Same. Let's begin this madness. This chair belongs downstairs in the dining room, so I'm gonna get rid of this first.